No entry. Use entrance across Broadway or at 242nd Street.
Okay, so we just get off the train. But only me, Daniel, and Billy got off because they closed it. And Richie's going like this, waving goodbye.
Thing
1 and thing 2. Billy went to go get us the car. We're going to wait for them on the front porch. Ricky Captain.
over there. Lisa.
I feel like the
Lisa's
Bachelor.
expression.
Lisa's like. I feel like the Bachelor. I got a rose.
He likes me. Why is this guy beeping at us?
No, because he wants me. Shit, he's going like this to me. I ain't fucking coming in your car. Yeah. My boyfriend's a little drunk.
Look, she got a rose.
I'm the Bachelor.
I'm the Bachelor.
Alright, let's walk to your house.
Alright, this
Billy,
is
how do you feel that
Billy
some guy
got a
honked at me and
cigar.
waited for me to get in his car?
What?
Some guy just honked at me and waited for me to...
I will kill him.
Is that him?
No, he left.